Hello and welcome to the future site of Paul B. Hardware Mechanicsburg. My name is Daniel Kreider and we're here today for two reasons. One is to give you a quick update on the renovations, and two is to officially launch our Facebook page for this store. You know, it was last November when we first announced that Paul B. Hardware was coming to Mechanicsburg. The more time we spend here, the more we love this area and all of you. So this Facebook page is a way that we can stay connected while we finish off renovations and also work towards opening the store. So go ahead and like the page to stay up to date on everything that's happening here. And speaking of opening, you can mark your calendars for our grand opening on September 1st of this year. We'll announce more details about that in the months to come, but in order to whip this site into a full-fledged, heavy-duty hardware store, Alexander Building Construction Company and all the contractors are hard at work. A new roof has been installed, the masonry is being repaired around the building, the asbestos has been removed, and the electrical, plumbing, and mechanical work is underway. These guys have been getting it done in the midst of some pretty cold temperatures and even some snowstorms. So, thank you to everyone who's been working hard to keep pushing this project forward. I would actually like to introduce you to some of them in some future updates, so that's another good reason to like the page so you don't miss anything. One last thing before we go. If you're interested in a career with Paul B. Hardware, we want to hear from you, and it's not too early to reach out to us. You can visit paulbmechanicsburg.com, look for the Now Hiring section for more information, and also a link where you can see our job descriptions and apply online. You know, we'll finish this store and we'll fill it full of hardware, but that's only part of the equation. We need great people like you working here to make this a Paul B. Hardware store. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, like Paul B. Hardware Mechanicsburg on Facebook. We'll catch you next time.